Today I'm taking you to the balcony and talking about the wonderful benefits and uses of chamomile. Now this is a small chamomile plant that I grew. It is around 2.5 months old. It has not yet flowered. I'm going to take the opportunity today and talk about the wonderful benefits of the chamomile and a couple of different ways you can start using chamomile, maybe ways you haven't yet heard of before. Chamomile is amazing. Now you can use the flowers in many different ways. To be specific, the best and easiest way to use the flowers is to make a small infusion. So infusion can be used for irritable bowel syndrome, even can be used for poor appetite and indigestion. You can start by drinking a cup at night for insomnia, for anxiety, for stress, and then you can also add some chamomile infusion to the bath water at night to encourage sleep, and this is perfect for children as well. Another way you can use it is as a tincture, preferably an alcohol-free tincture would be best, especially for insomnia and stress and tension. Now you can also use Roman chamomile, to be specific, to make an ointment. An ointment can be used for insect bites, for wounds, for eczema, and also for general skin irritation as well. Now all you need to make the ointment is chamomile oil, which you can do an infused oil at home, and then you can combine that with some beeswax, preferably add in either cacao butter or shea butter, and then mix it on a double boiler, and you will have a wonderful at-home chamomile ointment that you can use. My favorite ways to use chamomile is as a mouthwash, and this is mainly for mouth inflammation. Now I've been suffering from bleeding gums for about over 2 years now, and chamomile was one of the best herbs that has helped me in my go-to. So I use chamomile, and also I use clove infusion as a mouthwash. Chamomile infusion can also be used to make an eye wash. So you can use the tincture, just dissolve a couple of drops, about 5 to 8 drops in water, warm water, and you can use it for strained eyes. You can use it for pinky eyes, conjunctivitis as well. You can also alternatively use calendula instead of chamomile. For hay fever, for bronchitis, you can use chamomile as an inhalation. You just either add the dried flowers to a basin of boiling water, or you can alternatively add in some essential oils to your humidifier and use it as inhalation. You have chamomile essential oil. The best way to use it is for a lotion for the skin, preferably perfect for anyone having dry, sensitive skin. Also for eczema, you can combine about 5 drops of chamomile essential oil to 50 milliliters of distilled witch hazel, and you could use it as a wonderful toner that way. Alternatively, also you can add in the 2 to 3 drops of chamomile essential oil to your face cream, and then use it on the face. Just avoid any sensitive areas around the nose, mouth, and eyes as well, and make sure you do a patch test so you can know if you are allergic to it beforehand. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video.